Hello, my name is Jenna, Jang, and I have been working on a project to assess multisensory integration during gait. Our brain simultaneously receives and reweighs input from multiple sensory systems during walking. This integration process is critical for good balance. However, aging and neurological disorders disrupt this ability. There is currently a lack of tools to assess the specific sensory systems that affect individuals with balance problems. Therefore, we aim to develop a cost-efficient and portable tool for assessing sensory motor integration by selectively engaging different sensory pathways. For our experiment, the participants wore both an EEG and VR headset. The EEG headset recorded real-time brain signals, while the VR headset provided the 6 conditions for different combination of sensory systems. During the conditions, 4 different sensory ratios were calculated to indicate an individual's ability to utilize a particular sensory modality. Based on 12 healthy young adults, we found that specific brain waves and regions could be identified by sensory ratio. For example, there's a sharp theta increase in visual and vestibular sensory ratios. Furthermore, we see an increase in multiple different frequencies for all sensory ratios, which suggests that different types of cognition is needed for balance. Next, we also analyzed the specific brain region activation. All 4 conditions had a high concentration in the parietal cortex, which indicates that although specific sensory inputs are specialized in different areas, the integration are all processed in the parietal cortex. For future works, we should work to synchronize EEG signals to the VR data that captures the XYZ positions, velocity, and acceleration to identify the neural markers of instability. Additionally, we could train machine learning models on EEG features to classify individuals with poor weighing that could be used in clinical applications. Lastly, other features such as specific brain frequency bands and variability among participants could be further analyzed. Finally, I would like to thank the SDIPRU program for funding this research, and thank you for listening.